All right, Scott. How many days until sick week?
What is it? 2 weeks?
Is it that soon? I thought it was longer than that.
It's January 15th. Sick week day 0 is, I think, the day before February. Or I think February 1st is the first day, right?
Okay, yeah. So about, what, 16 days? 17 days?
Yeah. And look, I have nothing.
And the motor is currently Bluetooth connected to the transmission. There it is over there. Waiting to make all the ponies. So today, what's on the agenda?
Well,
Other than getting the motor installed.
yeah, well, this is actually the backup motor. So I was originally planning to put the other motor in, but
Oh, that's true.
I can't get it in. I can't get it in time. So unfortunately, my old motor had a crack in the cylinder, and stuff happens. So I decided to get this 6.2 liter and just slapped it together. So it's got a stock bottom rear end in it, and then just slapped some Summit Racing pistons in it and new bearings.
Does this have stock rods, right?
Stock rods, yeah.
Oh, really? Oh, Gen 4 though.
Yep. So 6.2 liter aluminum. It will be about close to 100 pounds lighter on the nose, but I won't be able to make as much horsepower, so we'll see what happens.
Well, we're going from 408 stroker to pretty much a 383. But what's the good news about your new motor?
I'm going to have to change my license plate from a 408 to 427.
Yeah, buddy.
So we're going with a LS Next aftermarket block on the good motor. So I'll have that after sick week. I'll be putting that in.
Yeah, it's gonna be super dope. And Scott got his trailer together. Bunch of custom made parts here. Some 3D printed flexible bushings. Got the locks on there. And this thing came out sick. So
yeah, cut all this stuff out on my plasma cutter.
yeah, and I think so. We still got to mount the jack on the trailer tongue, mount the lights in the box, and then maybe add some bolts or some rib nuts to this. Maybe figure out a way to run your BMW wheels on that because we're working with a BMW.
Yep.
And yeah, pretty dope. Oh yeah, Dozer CNC machine with his name on it, Wolford Racing, came out super dope. I'm pretty excited.
Me too.
So we'll get the motor in, start getting it back together, and then hopefully on the track rental that we have for our final race for the engineers versus technician, we'll be able to take this thing out as well, get some testing, and then hopefully have some good results. All right, let's get to work. Easy does it. Easy does it. If only you had someone here to hold the other side of the motor so it didn't keep rolling away from you.
Dang wheel casters.
Let me help you with that, sir. Well, well, well. Go home, Dowell.
Home.
Go to your home, buddy. We're almost there, bud. We're almost there. We're almost there. Almost there. A plus.
Are we there yet?
I like these 3D printed covers he made. That's pretty sick.
Yeah, it was good. I found them. I just found them online.
Still pretty sick. Upsy daisy. As they say in Fallout. Okie dokie. Success!
We did it.
We're almost there. there's a lot of stuff missing here and here and here, but the engine's in.
Yeah, only what would it take? Like an hour and a half, 2 hours.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Too bad.
I mean, for not having a lift and not pulling the transmission, and
Yeah.
it went pretty good.
But we also, had a couple brewskis and
Yeah.
some brats. So.
It slows progress down, but it makes progress more fun. Yeah, I'm pretty pumped. So a couple of good 4, 5, 6 hours worth of work, and boom, she'll be running, making all the ponies.
All the power.
To be continued.